My name is Pamela and I have spent the last 25 years helping lawyers to do many things. One of them is to find personal fulfillment, satisfaction, success, to learn how to level up their law practice, and definitely to increase more income while enjoying mental stability and lawyer well-being. This one is a big one. Setting realistic expectations. Too many lawyers really underestimate how long a job takes. They tell their clients an unrealistic expectation. So then the client is calling them and demanding for the work that they gave them a deadline for, which was impossible given the workload, given everything that the attorney has on his or her plate. The expectation that they put out there on for their clients and for themselves is not going to be a good thing. So setting realistic expectations is huge. Do not shortchange yourself. Do not try to do things that you cannot actually accomplish. Your life will be so much easier. Your stress level will be less. Your clients will be happier. So will you, and so will your family, because you won't be coming home stressed out because you've given yourself and your clients unrealistic expectations. When you're setting expectations, you want to be honest with yourself. You want to assess what kind of time and what your abilities are and what's going to require so that you're reasonable in your expectation for yourself. Second thing you want to do is you want to realize your external circumstances, because if you have a trial, you have a depo, you have things going on, you have a demand that's due and has a deadline, you want to be able to assess. You want to look and see, what is it that I have to do so that I can add this on and have an expectation of when this can be done. Time management is very important in this aspect, because if you organize your practice, organize your desk, you're able to see, okay, I won't really have this ready for a week. You want to be able to say, I can handle this. I'll have this done in a week. I'll have it done in 2 weeks. But you don't want to shortchange yourself. You don't want to shortchange your client by telling them that you can have it done in 2 days. You've got to break it down. You've got to break it down into reasonable steps. You can't eat the whole elephant at the same time. That's not a politically correct thing to say, because our elephants are endangered species, but you know what I mean. You want to break it down into small bits so that you can get the job done. You know, obviously the most important thing is that you have to get uninterrupted time where you're not taking phone calls, checking email, texting, or checking social media. 1.5 hours, everyone can train themselves over time to work at least 1.5 hours without interruption. And that's how you break down your workload so that you can get a lot more accomplished.